In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a comment in Quip. If you're collaborating in Quip, comments are the quickest way to give feedback, ask a question, or tag a teammate right where the work is happening. Let's walk through the simple process, and I'll share a few tips so your comments are clear and easy to act on. First, open the Quip document you're working on. You can do this on the web, the desktop app, or the mobile app, whichever you prefer. The experience is consistent across platforms, so you won't need to relearn anything if you switch devices. Make sure you have the document open to the section you want to discuss, so you can quickly point to the right spot. Next, select what you want to comment on. Click and drag to highlight the exact text, or tap and hold on mobile to select a word and adjust the handles. If you're commenting on an image, click the image to select it. Working in a Quip spreadsheet? Click the cell or drag across multiple cells if your comment applies to a range. Being precise with your selection helps your teammates instantly understand the context. Once you've highlighted the target, look for the comment icon, the little speech bubble. On desktop and web, you'll typically see it in the toolbar above your document or appear in the margin next to your selection. On mobile, it may appear in a small toolbar above the keyboard or near the selection. Click or tap that speech bubble to open the comment box attached to your selection. A comment box will appear right where you need it. Type your message clearly and be specific about what you're suggesting or asking. If the comment is directed at someone, use the @ symbol to mention them. Just type the symbol and start typing their name. Quip will suggest teammates so you can tag the right person. Mentions send a notification, which helps ensure the right people see your note and can respond quickly. When your comment is ready, send it. On desktop, you can press Enter to post the comment. If you want a new line instead of sending, hold Shift and press Enter. On web and mobile, you can also click or tap the Send or Comment button. Give your comment a quick read for clarity before posting, and keep it concise so it's easy to act on. That's it. You've added a focused, actionable comment in Quip right where it matters.